In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install the Crew 2 on PC or laptop. So in order to access the following game, you have to install Steam on your device. So in that case, open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in steampower.com and it's going to take you to the official page. So right on this page, you have to go and install it. So click on install Steam from the top right and then go to install Steam. When you do that, it's going to install the exe file. So wait patiently. When you're done installing it, just go ahead and tap on setup. Now you need to go and enable all sort of permissions and wait patiently until it functions. So click the next button in order to continue with the procedure. And if you're sure about installing it, then tap the install button and here you go, that the Steam has been successfully installed. Create your account, and if you already have an account, then you could go ahead and simply log into your account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. So after it is completely installed and you're logged in, now you can go ahead and tap on the store button. As you do that, it's going to take you to this page. Here you have to go ahead and type in the Crew 2. When you're located, go ahead and press on it, and next page it's going to take you to the info. Here you can go ahead and watch the demo and all that, and if you wish to buy it or to purchase it, then go ahead and select the one and click on add to cart. When you do that, on the other, it's going to take you to the summary page. Now on this page, you could go ahead and select view my card. Then you can proceed on with the checkout procedure. Then you can begin with the checkout procedure, and that's basically how you can download and install the Crew 2 on your laptop or PC. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.